Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I will be explaining the term utility. What by utility? It is a power of a commodity to satisfy human wants. Satisfy our want. So the power of a commodity to satisfy human wants is called utility. Every product has got the power to satisfy our wants. For example, pen. This pen has got the power so that I can write on the paper. So the power of a commodity to satisfy our wants is called utility. So every product has got the power. If the power is not there, then the utility will be zero. For example, broken pen. With the broken pen, you cannot write. So the utility of the broken pen is zero. We won't get satisfaction. For example, fruits. That is, if it is rotten, the utility will be zero. So that is when that is power is there, that is the commodity to satisfy our want, then it is called as utility. So it is the power of a product or a commodity to satisfy human want, and it is measured in terms of number, and that is 1, 2, 3. Suppose if I use this pen, I get the satisfaction 1, or if I use this pencil, I get the satisfaction 2. So my satisfaction is measured in terms of number, and that is called as utils. There are the utility concept that differs from person to person. It differs from time to time as well as place to place. Suppose take for example that is Mr. X. He loves that is any fruit, or he is fond of apple. The same will not be there in other Mr. Y. He like mango, X like orange. So it differs from person to person. If you like that particular commodity, you will get more satisfaction. So by consuming the same product, a person may get satisfaction equal to 10, another person may get 20. It differs from person to person. So the utility, there are two concepts. First one is total utility. What by total utility? It means it is the sum total of utility that the consumer gets by consuming all units of a commodity. It means whatever he gets the total satisfaction, that is called as total utility. For example, a consumer is consuming 3 units of a commodity. First unit gives him the satisfaction equal to 10. So he gets 10 utils from first commodity. Second commodity, when he consumes, he gets 8 utils. Third commodity, when he consumes, he gets 4 utils. What is the total utility? Total utility in this case is 22. So that is sum total of the utility that the consumer gets by consuming all units of a commodity. You have consumed, suppose 3 units. So all the 3 units gives you how much satisfaction? That is satisfaction equal to 22. You have to add all the marginal utility. These are called as a marginal utility. Net addition made to the total utility. So by consuming 1 unit, how much you are getting? Second unit, how much you are getting? So you have to add this. So you will get total utility. So the formula of total utility is equal to sigma mu. You have to do the total of mu, 10 plus 8 plus 4. So this is called as mu. That is each unit, how much you are getting the satisfaction. If you add this, you will get total utility. So total utility is equal to sigma mu. Then the second concept is marginal utility. What by marginal utility? It is the net addition made to the total utility by consuming an extra unit of commodity. By consuming one more unit of a commodity, how much is added to the total utility is called marginal utility. So suppose you are consuming one more extra unit, how much you get extra satisfaction by consuming that extra unit is called marginal utility. Suppose the person has consumed 10 units and got satisfaction is equal to 100 utils, and when he consumed the 11th units, his total satisfaction increased from 100 to 108. So what is the marginal utility? By consuming this 11th unit, how much he got extra? 108 minus 100. So marginal utility is 8. By consuming this one extra 11th unit, how much he got? Extra satisfaction 8. So what is the formula? So you have to use not find out the marginal utility. Marginal utility is equal to total utility of present unit minus total utility of previous unit. TUN means total utility of present unit minus total utility of previous unit. Present unit is 108, previous in 100. So you will get 8. 8 is a marginal utility. For example, I will write, suppose units consumed. Suppose consumer has consumed 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First unit when he consumes, suppose he gets satisfaction 20. Second unit 30. This is the total utility. Third unit, suppose he gets, that is 35. Fourth unit 35. Fifth unit, suppose 33. So he has consumed 5 units and this is a satisfaction when that is he gets. When 1 unit is consumed, 20. When 2 units are consumed, he gets total 30. 3, 35. 4, 35. Fifth one is 33. Now what is the marginal utility? You have to find out what is the marginal utility. Marginal utility is equal to total utility of present unit minus total utility of previous unit. So total utility of present unit is 20. 20 minus 0. So what is the marginal utility? 20. So now second unit. When he consumes the second unit, he gets total satisfaction 30. How much he got extra by consuming the second unit? 30 minus 20. So you will get 10. Third unit, 35. How much he got extra by consuming the third unit? 35 minus 30. So you will get 5. Fourth unit, that is satisfaction is 35. How much he got extra? 35 minus 35. So you will get 0. Fifth unit, 33. How much he got extra satisfaction? That is 33 minus 35. You will get minus 2. So now we can go from this. Suppose a marginal utility is given to you. How to find out the total utility? First unit, when he consumed, you got 20. Marginal utility is 20. What is the total utility? 20 only. 20 plus previous, that is nothing, there is 0. So 20 only. The second unit, when he consumed, he got 10. What is the total satisfaction he got? You have to add all the marginal utility. 20 plus 10. You will get 30. When you consume the third unit, you got 5. So you have to add 20 plus 30 plus 5, 35. Fourth unit, that is 35. How you got 35? 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 0. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 0, 35. And fifth unit, we got minus 2. So 20 plus 10, 30. Then 5, 35 plus 0, 35. 35 minus 2. So you will get 33. In this way, you can find out the total utility when the marginal utility is given. So that is the summation of marginal utility. You have to add all the marginal utility to get total utility. And to find out the marginal utility from the present total utility, you have to deduct the previous total utility. You will get marginal utility. Thank you.